Hey, my oil lab. Welcome if you're new. Today is Fennel, and I love this oil.
It's a love-hate relationship for me.
Really.
Yeah, it has a very distinct black licorice aroma and taste to it, which,
See, I love black licorice.
right, and I don't, but I know the benefits and the internal benefits of using fennel essential oil. They're just wonderful, and there's so many of them.
Iranian researchers just published a study showing how fennel essential oil for our gut helps with a healthy inflammatory response. And I want to make sure you guys get this. Inflammation is not always bad. So often we tie inflammation to a disease process. However, inflammation at healthy levels is incredibly great for our physiology, for the cells of our body. Inflammation a lot of times is protective. Inflammation can help heal our body when it's in healthy, normal levels. And that is what fennel has been studied to do, is to create a healthy inflammatory response for our digestive tract.
Now, it's the seed of the plant,
Mm-hmm.
and it's an evergreen. It's a plant that comes all the way from the Mediterranean, and we distill it from the seed. And we have in previous videos telling you guys how seed oils are just so important for your gut, like you said.
Italian and Belgium researchers have just concluded a study showing how fennel essential oil, when used internally, so how we recommend doing this is putting 3 drops in a veggie capsule and taking it a couple times a day. And it promotes healthy bowel movements and normal bowel movements. I was just talking to a lady, we're going back and forth right now. She's having trouble with bowel movements, and we started her on clove and cardamom, which has been working great. And I'm going to message her right now after this video and tell her to add fennel to it because this study just came out. So we're always staying on top of the research so that you guys have the most cutting edge and get the best results using your oil.
Now, like I said before, I'm not a fan of the black licorice. So I like to do the veggie caps, and it's in our Digestin blends, which we went over before with you guys for the reasons of supporting a digestion. Now, when you take it internally as well, there's so many more benefits to it. You have a healthy immune system. You have a healthy function of circulation in your body. There's a healthy response to your respiratory and your lungs when you take it, a healthy metabolism. It list just goes on and on and on. So I endure it. I take it because I know the mass benefits of it.
Trans-anethol is the primary molecule in fennel. Fennel is incredibly sweet. This molecule is 13 times stronger than sugar.
That's crazy.
For people that are getting off of sugar and eliminating sugar from their diet, you can still get your sweet fix by using fennel essential oil after a meal. So it's going to help with that sugar fix, but then also it's going to be great for your gut.
Now, this is a fun fact because I'm all into like the emotions with essential oils. Fennel brings you deeper to a connection with yourself. So when you're feeling lost or you're feeling like there's no passion for life anymore, when you use fennel essential oil, you can use it topically with a fractionated coconut oil or just by ingesting it or diffusing it. You're going to bring passion back to your life. You're going to reconnect with yourself, which is so awesome.
It's a wonderful oil. If you've used it, let us know how you love it, the benefits that you have seen. Like, comment, share. Thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and we love you guys. We'll see you next time.